everyone, welcome back to my channel Studio by EduScots. Today I want to share with you a super effective and cost-efficient way to upgrade your old interactive flat panels without having to replace them entirely. If your interactive flat panel is starting to feel slow and outdated, it might be due to the onboard Android OS, which often can't keep up with modern demands. Instead of replacing your panel, consider upgrading it with an OPS module. Let me explain why this is a smart choice. Many panels run on an Android OS designed for mobile devices. While initially useful, it struggles with high-performance tasks and doesn't get updated as frequently. On the other hand, Windows OS is built for a wide range of devices, offering superior processing power, regular updates, and access to professional software. By integrating an OPS module, you can transform your panel's operating system from Android to Windows, providing a significant boost in performance and functionality. Step 1. Locate the slot. Number 2. Insert the module. Step number 3. Once inserted, power up your panel. This easy upgrade process can significantly enhance the performance of your panel across different settings. Whether in classrooms, corporate offices, or retail spaces, OPS makes your panel faster and more efficient. And if you are looking for the best OPS solution, check out the AIVox modules. They feature the latest i5 12th generation processor and a 256GB SSD, ensuring excellent performance and speed. By upgrading with AIVox OPS module, your panel will handle modern applications with ease, making it as good as new, if not better. So before you consider replacing your old panel, try upgrading it with an OPS module. It's a cost-effective, easy, and sustainable solution to keep your technology up to date. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on upgrading your panel with OPS. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.